Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0563, indicates an unexpected voltage issue in the PCM power source circuit of the Honda Accord, produced between 2017 and 2023. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, is the central computer that manages engine performance, emissions, and other functions. When the PCM detects a voltage that is not within expected parameters, it triggers this DTC. The components involved include the PCM, the relay circuit board, and associated wiring. Understanding these components is vital for diagnosing and rectifying the issue. Diagnostic tools, like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, are commonly employed for the troubleshooting process. In this guide, we'll explore the symptoms, possible causes, and detailed troubleshooting steps to address DTC P0563 effectively. The error code P0563 indicates that the PCM has detected an unexpected voltage in its power source circuit. This circuit is crucial for the proper functioning of the vehicle, as it supplies power to various components. The PCM plays a central role in managing the engine operation, measuring various parameters, and ensuring efficient performance. The relay circuit board is essential in distributing electrical signals and power to the PCM and associated components. Therefore, a malfunction in this area can lead to erratic behavior or performance issues in the vehicle. The voltage anomaly typically points towards either a wiring fault, a bad relay, or issues within the PCM itself. Identifying the correct location of the fault begins by examining the components mentioned. Several factors may lead to the occurrence of DTC P0563. The most common cause is faulty wiring or poor connections, particularly at the relay circuit board or within the PCM. Corroded, loose, or damaged wiring can disrupt the voltage supplied to the PCM, triggering this code. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning relay circuit board, which can fail to supply the correct voltage due to internal faults or component degradation. A defective PCM is another possibility, although it's less common. If other components check out fine, it might indicate a failure in the PCM itself. These potential issues must be systematically evaluated to find the root cause of the unexpected voltage reading detected by the PCM. When DTC P0563 is present, several symptoms can manifest in the vehicle's operation. First and foremost, the check engine light typically illuminates, alerting the driver to a potential issue. There might be noticeable engine performance problems, such as rough idling, stalling, or poor acceleration, indicating that the PCM is unable to effectively manage engine parameters. Due to voltage irregularities, the vehicle may also experience intermittent electrical failures, affecting components like sensors and relays. Furthermore, in some scenarios, the power supply to essential systems like the ignition and fuel delivery may be affected, making the vehicle less reliable. Recognizing these symptoms can help diagnose the underlying issue before it escalates. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0563 is problem verification. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Then, use the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear the stored DTCs. Clearing the DTC allows the PCM to reset and reevaluate the circuit conditions during the next ignition cycle. After clearing, switch the vehicle off to the lock mode and wait for 10 seconds. This waiting period ensures that any residual voltage dissipates. Once this is complete, turn the vehicle back to the on mode and check if the DTC reappears as either pending or confirmed using the HDS. If DTC P0563 comes back, proceed to the next steps in the troubleshooting process. If it does not return, it may indicate an intermittent fault that requires further investigation. In the second troubleshooting step, the goal is to determine the possible failure area. Start with the vehicle in the off lock mode. Use the HDS to jump the SCS service check signal line and wait for more than a minute. This jump allows for a period of monitoring and can help isolate the issue further. Next, disconnect the PCM connector A, which is typically a 50-pin connector. At this point, you will measure the voltage between test point 1, which is PCM connector A pin number 5, and test point 2, which is a body ground. It's essential to confirm whether battery voltage is present at this connector. If battery voltage is detected, it indicates the circuit leading to the PCM is functioning correctly, and you can proceed with subsequent steps. If no voltage is detected, it is indicative of a wiring issue or malfunctioning components further down the troubleshooting line. For the third step, you want to check for a short in the wiring along the FI main RLY CL line. Start by removing the injector relay from the underhood fuse and relay box. This relay is responsible for controlling the fuel injectors and needs to be disconnected for a valid continuity check. Next, disconnect the relay circuit board connector C, which is a 22-pin connector. With both connectors removed, use a multimeter to check for continuity between test points 1 and 2, while ensuring the vehicle is still in the off lock mode. Test point 1 is the same as before, PCM connector A pin number 5, and test point 2 is a body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates that there is a short in the FI main RLY CL wire between the PCM and relay circuit board, and a repair is necessary in that circuit. If continuity is not present, you should proceed to conduct further tests to isolate other potential issues. In the fourth troubleshooting step, it's crucial to verify the condition of the relay circuit board itself. Begin by removing the relay circuit board to inspect for any visible damage, such as burnt components or corrosion. Utilizing a multimeter, conduct tests to confirm if the relay circuit board is functioning properly. If the relay circuit board tests okay, then the issue may reside in another area. In such a case, consult any available authorized service information related to DTCs or symptoms being diagnosed. If the relay circuit board is confirmed to be defective during testing, replacement is necessary. A faulty relay circuit board can lead to persistent electrical issues and continuing DTC P0563. So this step is crucial in ensuring reliable vehicle operation. The fifth step involves checking the PGM FI main relay 2, which is integral in the power supply to the PCM. Start by removing this relay and then disconnect the relay circuit board connector C to isolate the circuit. With both the relay and PCM connector removed, measure the voltage between test point 1, which is PCM connector A, pin number 8, and test point 2, which is body ground. This test condition should also be conducted while the vehicle is off lock. To ensure no voltage interference, if battery voltage is detected at this point, it suggests that there is a short to power in the FI main relay out wire that requires immediate repair. If no voltage is detected, you should then check the relay circuit board for defects. In the sixth and final step, you need to conduct a comprehensive check once more on the relay circuit board. After removing this board, perform a detailed assessment to ensure it is functioning correctly. If testing reveals that the relay circuit board is operational and the vehicle exhibits no issues, the next logical step is to look for authorized service information related to DTCs or symptoms. In scenarios where the relay circuit board is found to be faulty, replacement will be necessary as it forms a critical part of the vehicle's electrical system. Additionally, if there are no issues with the relay board, but DTC P0563 persists, consider substituting a known good PCM to check for any changes. This exhaustive approach ensures that every potential issue that could trigger DTC P0563 has been thoroughly examined. After performing all necessary repairs and replacements related to DTC P0563, it's essential to verify that the fixes were successful. Begin by rechecking the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Ensure that DTC P0563 is no longer present, indicating that proper voltage levels in the PCM power source circuit have been restored. Additionally, confirm that the vehicle systems are functioning correctly, including engine performance and electrical operations. Document any changes and observations made throughout the repair process, as this information could be valuable for future diagnostics. Successful verification signifies that the troubleshooting process was effective, cementing the remedies enacted. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0563. Regularly inspect wiring and connectors, especially in areas prone to wear and corrosion. Ensuring that all connections are secure can help prevent voltage drop issues that could trigger the DTC. It can also be beneficial to conduct annual checks of the relay circuit board and other related components. Using high-quality replacement parts can greatly reduce the likelihood of electrical faults in the system. Keeping the electrical system in optimal condition is essential for ensuring the reliability and longevity of your Honda Accord, thereby minimizing unexpected malfunctions. In summary, DTC P0563 signals an unexpected voltage issue in the PCM power source circuit within the Honda Accord produced between 2017 and 2023. The troubleshooting process involves a systematic approach that includes verifying the issue, identifying potential causes, and meticulously following through multiple diagnostic steps. Each component, such as the PCM and relay circuit board, plays a significant role in the vehicle's overall functionality. Preventive maintenance can further enhance vehicle reliability and minimize the chances of encountering similar DTCs in the future. Understanding and addressing these issues thoroughly helps ensure the continued performance and integrity of your vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.